Hey Pixels, I'm so excited to introduce to you a new series on my channel. It's called #PixelFix, where I help you fix your design and code problems. Now, make sure you watch the whole episode because some of these code and design issues that your fellow subscribers might have will also help you out too. Now, if you want to be featured in a Pixel Fix episode, make sure you're subscribed to my email newsletter. You'll join over 1,000 designers, coders, and tech lovers. I'm still working out the details of this series, but I'll definitely announce it to my mailing list first. You'll also get a free HTML and CSS reference sheet when you sign up, an essential when you're learning how to code. So, without any further delay, let's jump right in. So, I got a lot of great feedback on my video, Responsive Navigation Menu HTML5 in CSS3. If you haven't watched it, go watch it now and then come back to this video. I also had a few subscribers asking several questions regarding issues with their code. A fellow ExoPixel subscriber, Jordan, reached out to me and wanted some help with his code. Here's what Jordan wrote. Hi. I commented on your YouTube video for some help with my nav. I'll post the code here. Not sure if you will need the images, so I'll try to include them. But the nav keeps overlapping each other. Thank you for your time. Well, Jordan, you're not alone. That's a common problem front-end web developers face when coding a responsive navigation menu. I've taken a look at both your code and website. Here are my thoughts. Your website design is great, and I love how minimalistic and straightforward it is. I also really love the pink gradient background that you used. As I was reviewing your code, I also saw some areas where if you applied the suggestions that I'm about to share with you, your website will not only be responsive, but it will provide an awesome user experience for your website visitors. Now it's time for the fun part, guys. I'm going to first go over Jordan's original code, and then I'll present my edited version of his code, which helped make his menu and entire website responsive and semantic. Now, let's pixel fix this website. Looking at the homepage of Jordan's website, I noticed that the navigation is placed below a large logo image. There's also large text placed below the navigation and logo, as is with most websites. And the footer is placed at the bottom. Visually, everything is placed in the logical flow of most websites. That's important for your website visitors because it makes it easy for them to navigate your website. They don't really have to stop and think about where everything is placed. Now, when I tried to resize the website, as Jordan stated, that's where the main problem lies. The links in the menu are overlapping instead of going into their responsive navigation mode, as was shown in my responsive navigation tutorial. Well, time to check the code. Looking at the code will help me find the root code issues that are causing this website not to function how we would like it to. First, I'm going to check Jordan's HTML, and then I'm going to check his CSS. I'll provide solutions for each that will apply to the website to make it responsive and user-friendly. So after looking at the code, here are some problems that I noticed with the HTML. The first is that there's too many Google fonts. Having too many Google fonts will slow down your website. There's also little visual harmony and balance when there's too many different fonts on a website. Number 2 is wrapping the logo image in the H1 tag. H1 tags should only be used for headings and text. There are other tags that you can use to move images around. Number 3 is that there's no link for the menu's hamburger icon. You really need that link for the responsive menu to work. Number 4 is there's no anchor tag in the menu list. The anchor tag is what turns ordinary list text into functioning links. And number 5 is using a footer div instead of the footer tag. This is using more tags than what's necessary. Here are some solutions to fix the HTML. The first is to use a maximum of 2 Google fonts, especially on a really small website. You don't need any more than 2. Number 2 is to move the menu to the very top and make it full width outside of the wrapper div. That way, in mobile view, the nav is easy to recognize and is placed in an area that makes it easy for your website visitors to use. The third is to use a wrapper on the rest of the website, so that includes the logo and the footer. Number 4 is to wrap the logo in a div tag and give it the class logo. That way, we can use CSS to select it and then move it around. Number 5 is to add anchor tags inside of the list tag. And number 6 is to use only the footer tag. Now let's take a look at Jordan's CSS code so that we can see if we can address the stacking menu links problem and correct any other code problems for Jordan's website. Here are some problems that I noticed with the CSS. The first is starting the document with a declaration. The second is no comments in the CSS. The third is using the body tag twice to apply styles to it. The fourth is duplicating declarations. The fifth is excessive use of padding. The sixth is no global font declaration. The seventh is excessive declaration use. The eighth is no media queries for the nav tag. Now, fortunately, I have some solutions, so here they are. The first is to start the document with the selector body and then list all the declarations. That way there's no need to write it more than once. The second is to use the body tag to apply global styles, which are the styles that are applied to the entire website, like the background or font for the entire website, usually the body text. The third is using comments. This will help make your code clean and organized. If you want more tips on how you can organize your code, read my blog post on my blog. The link will be in the description box below. The fourth is applying padding to the main content div and tags instead of each individual tag. The fifth is minimizing the declaration use overall. And lastly, the sixth is adding media queries for the nav tag. That way, the menu can become responsive in smaller browsers. Now that I've taken a closer look at Jordan's code, I was able to apply the solutions that I provided above for both the HTML and CSS code. Here's what it looks like. Now, Jordan's website is fully responsive. His menu can now be viewed on both desktop computers and mobile phones. The logo is also notably displayed at its highest resolution because it's scaled to its correct proportions. Jordan's website now uses 2 Google fonts because we want it to be fast and we want his website to have a high level of visual harmony. Overall, the website looks great and it's responsive. I hope these tips and suggestions help you in your future website projects, Jordan. Now it's your turn. Let me know if you like this video by giving it a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button for more great videos just like this one. I'll see you in the next video.